Hi everyone, this is Jonathan Mendez, your licensed real estate broker in San Quintin, Baja California, Mexico. If you haven't subscribed yet to our YouTube channel, which is mendezvende, I would like to invite you to subscribe and also to give us a like. And we not only share new listings in our channel, but also we share with you our experience and knowledge in real estate transactions in Mexico. Once again, I want to thank you for your support, and I want to invite you to take the time to look at this cozy, beautiful beach house in Costa Brava, Baja California, Mexico. So please join me, and thank you. This house is actually a one-bedroom house, but there is a great room that could be turned into a second bedroom. Also, it has 3 full-size bathrooms, and it has 3 garage, and one is actually a workshop. So you have 2-car garage for about 3 cars that you can park there. This cozy, beautiful house, it's located in Costa Brava, Baja California, Mexico. It's just about 15-minute drive to downtown Vicente Guerrero, where you can find anything you need, from grocery stores to banks to restaurants and other places where you can get medical care, hospital, and actually drugs that you need or your medicine. Costa Brava. Costa Brava is actually in San Quintin, Baja California, Mexico, which is just about 4 hours south of the border with San Diego and Tijuana. This community is a beachfront community, it's a gated community, and you will find about 45 residents living here, including myself. This is a beautiful place, peaceful, quiet, where you can actually enjoy not only during your time off during the holidays, or actually if you're planning for a place to retire, well, this could be the opportunity, the location that you've been looking for. Costa Brava, Baja California, Mexico. So once again, thank you for taking the time to look at this listing, and let's see what else this house has to offer. Taking the time to look at this cozy house right on the beach in Costa Brava, Baja California. And I would like to invite you, if you have any questions, please leave your comments below this video and I will be more than happy to answer to you. Once again, I thank you for your support in social media. God bless you and have a wonderful day.